In this video, I'm going to show you how to highlight text in CutePDF. Now, the first thing you want to do, you want to open your PDF where you want to highlight text, and you want to go to Tools, top left, then Commenting, and in here you can find Highlight tool towards the very bottom. Click on the Highlight tool over here, and then what you can do is basically find your text. I'm going to highlight this text over here, and then just basically kind of hover over your text, and then click and drag, and you can highlight whatever you want. So I'm going to highlight this part, and now I'm going to click again, and I'm going to highlight this part over here as well, okay? So that's how this works. And then if you want to change the color, click on that specific part of your highlight, right click on it, and click on Properties. Then here you can go and change the color. For example, I'm going to change to light blue or turquoise, and I'm going to click on OK. You can also right click and make the current properties default, and then of course whenever you highlight, those properties are going to be default just like this, okay? So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.